So the thing is that divine feminines who are on this journey of healing, they have to go through one challenge because they didn't get the divine feminine energy as a child, as a little girl. They have to go through phases or periods, or they have to go through experiences where other women are jealous of them. And it's really strange. I mean, it takes a while for them to also even understand that the reason why some of the women are not giving them opportunities, despite being so talented, so skillful, so loving, so kind, so devoted, even if they do everything right, even if they're perfect in some ways, but some of the women who are in place of authority are going to have huge issues with them, or they may not even be able to point it out. Like, they won't know why they are not giving you the opportunity, why they are not supporting you, why they're not nurturing you when they actually should. Because if they really love you, they should nurture you, they should support you, they should be there for you, they should fan your talent, they should fan your skills. But they don't, because of the distorted feminine energy that they also probably have. That's why you're attracting them. And of course, you also have that pattern in you where you're supposed to rub your shoulders against these women who probably didn't do their inner work because they were not as aware as you are. They did not know about healing or therapy available as tools and modalities to people of this generation. They didn't have that. So they are still stuck with that energy, that jealous energy, that envy. Sometimes it's enviousness, sometimes it's jealousy. Sometimes it can be really frustrating for you. It can be really painful, frustrating, and emotionally draining. You can feel like, it's all your fault, and you may not even know what your fault is. Like, you're doing everything as they tell you. You're going by the book, by the standards set by these women in authority. Yet they don't approve of you, they don't recommend you, they don't nurture you, because you need to heal it. You need to heal this problem.